Today we'll see about forfeiture of shares. Here you can see X Limited issued 1 lakh shares of rupees 10 each. The breakup is given here. Application rupees 2, allotment 3, first call 2 and second and final call rupees 3. 2, 3, 2 and 3. Rupees 10 each. Now Mr. A holding 3000 shares did not pay the first and second and final call. So both first and second and final call he did not pay and his shares were forfeited. So what we understand from the term forfeited is, if any shareholder does not pay any of the installments due on the shares, even after repeated reminders, the company has the right to forfeit his or her shares. Forfeit means cancel the shares allotted to him, and the amount till date, whatever is paid by the shareholder, will be captured or forfeited by the company. The company can exercise lien on that amount. The company will not be refunding the amount to the shareholder. There are some legal formalities regarding forfeiture. Some 14 days notice is to be provided to the shareholder, reminding for the final time that if within these 14 days he doesn't make the payment, whatever is due on his shares holding, then his shares will be forfeited. And even after that, if the shareholder does not pay the amount, then only the company can forfeit the shares. So forfeiture is a source of income for the company, you can say, because whenever the shares are forfeited, whatever amount is paid by the shareholder is already forfeited by the company. The company doesn't refund the amount to the shareholder. So we'll see the case here and we'll make entries for forfeiture today. So the case we have seen, X Limited company has issued 1 lakh shares of rupees 10 each. This was the breakup 2, 3, 2 and 3, application allotment, first and second and final call. Mr. A holding 3000 shares paid application and allotment but did not pay the first and second and final call. So since he has not paid the first and second and final call, in that case the total amount called from him is rupees 10. All rupees 10 was called from him. Application 2, allotment 3, first call 2 and second call and final call 3. We have called him 10 rupees. So in share capital you will write 3000 into 10, share capital debit, 2 share forfeiture and 2 calls in arrear. This is very simple to understand. In share capital you will make it debit because when we issue shares, we make share capital credit. Now we are cancelling the shares, so share capital will be debit, and 2 share forfeiture and 2 calls in arrear. In forfeiture will write whatever amount he has paid, and the arrears will write whatever amount he has not paid, and whatever amount is called will write in share capital. So here full rupees 10 is called from him. So 3000 into 10 we have written here. Out of 10, how much he has paid? Application and allotment is paid, 2 plus 3, 5. So in share forfeiture we have written 3000 into 5. And calls in arrears, he did not pay first call and second and final call. So 2 plus 3, 5 is not paid. So in calls in arrears we have written 3000 into 5. So 3000 into 5, 15,000, 3000 into 5, 15,000. 30,000, 15,000 and 15,000 is our entry, being shares forfeited. Now, the case could have been some different way also. If you see case 2 of this question only, suppose Mr. A, who is holding 3000 shares, now has paid only application. Now he has paid only application and allotment first call and second call, allotment and first call he did not pay. He has paid application, he did not pay allotment, he did not pay the first call, and immediately after the first call we have forfeited his shares. He has paid application, he did not pay allotment as well as the first call. So after the first call immediately we have forfeited the shares. We did not ask for second and final call from him. So when he did not pay the allotment and first call, then and there we have forfeited his shares. In that case, what will be the entry? Share capital account debit 3000 into 7.